The airline industry comes with a lot of moving parts. Our tech ops and maintenance teams are what keep us moving. With a growing fleet of 737s operating across scheduled service, charter flying, and cargo operations, no day is the same in our hangar. Working at Sun Country Airlines means engaging in both line and hangar maintenance in a close-knit atmosphere. Our small shop mindset means you have the chance to learn directly on the job through mentorship from senior technicians who quickly become familiar faces. Together, our team of knowledgeable and technically savvy problem solvers maintain the mechanical safety and reliability of our aircraft. And when you're not out on the line, you can take advantage of our robust travel privileges that begin on day one. So if you're ready to become part of this shop, our fleet awaits your service. Sun Country Airlines. Together, we fly forward.